thought I'd see the day a donkey could fly.
Can I go next, please? Can I please? Can I please?
Of course, you can all have a turn.
Hey, hey.
But right now, I better get to work on my next creation. See, sir.
Bye-bye.
All right, Duck Duck, are you ready to fly? Oh, yeah. I'm a duck. I was born ready. Flying, what I do. Whoa. You got this. Whoa.
Yeah, go Duck Duck.
Yeah.
Oh no!
I'm Kiki, but you know what? I don't know what went wrong. I couldn't get that swooperino to work. You know what? Probably broken. Seems to be working. For everybody but me. But you fly all the time with your wings. Yes, I know this. I am a flying expert. So why couldn't I fly on a swooperino, huh?
Yeah! Oh, wow! Oh, wow, that was fun!
Yeah, it sure looked like fun. I don't get it. How'd you both ride that thing? We just stayed balanced. Balanced?
Yeah, you know, like the way you balance on a bicycle.
Oh, well, I never rode a bicycle before. I didn't know you had to balance. Oh, well, no wonder you fell. So all I have to do is balance, huh? Sounds easy enough. Let me give this another try. Okay, I'm ready to balance and fly.
All right, you can do it, Duck Duck.
Okay, we got you.
Yep.
Oh, there you go. Balancing is not as easy as I thought it would be. Don't worry. I, Donkey Hoodie, will help you balance on the swooperino. That's no use. I can't do it.
Wait, but you've only tried twice.
Yeah, but I can usually do things the first time I try them. Like my magic trick with the floating stick got